dear students. I hope I'm audible to everyone. Okay. Let's wait for 2 more minutes because very less participants are there until now. Okay. Meanwhile, Prajwal Gautam, roll number 31, 630. Please make your background normal. So many times I have said the same thing. I don't want animated backgrounds. It distracts me. Rudransh, right now what I said, Rudransh Pandey 6th F. Rudransh Pandey 6th F, please have a normal background. I don't want animated one. Otherwise, I will make you out of the class. Rudransh, I think you cannot hear me.
Yes, miss.
Cannot hear me out.
Miss, I can hear.
Have a normal background. Sorry, Srivastav, I'm not going to teach to fan. Please arrange your camera properly. Are you there? Suyash? Suyash 6th E. And still many of you are not following the pattern which was given to write your name. Shreyas is not following, Ayushi is not following, Kamya Pal, no class, no roll number. So many times it is told, no, yesterday I think it was a message was also, a video was also forwarded, how you can rename the displayed name which is there on the class, there along with your video. Athav Kumar Sinha, Rudransh Pandey, Suyash Srivastav, simple thing is asked you people to do. Mohammad Rushan Waris, his name is also not written properly. Lying down and taking the classes. So today we are going to start with a portion of the second semester. So the very first chapter which we are going to start here in this chapter, in this semester, is presentation visual effect. Presentation visual effect. Now presentation means we are going to create our presentations using PowerPoint. Bit of PowerPoint you people have studied in class 5. Yes, you are having a hint of it. You will have studied about PowerPoint there in class 5th. Remember something? So one step ahead we are going to study here. Now in this chapter, in this semester, we will study about how to apply the animation, then how to apply the transition effect to your presentation, then how to insert a sound clips. Means any sound if I want to insert in our presentation, then how we can do that. Then if we want to insert a video clip, or how to use the action buttons what are the action buttons, how to use them, all these things we will study. Import data from Word. Import data from Word means I'm working on MS PowerPoint and MS Word is something else software. How to bring data from different softwares to our presentation, or viewing a presentation. When my presentation is ready, how I can see my presentation, what are the formats of seeing my presentation, and what is the slide master. Okay, what is slide master? All these topics we are going to cover under this particular chapter, as this chapter is going to be important because maybe in future people can go for a competition of PowerPoint presentations. And many places you will find, even in our schools, it goes start going on regular. So when inter-house competitions are there, this part is also there, PowerPoint presentation competition. Who creates the best presentation? Even if you don't get the chance here, so even when you will start working, because this is going to help you lifelong. These softwares which we are studying right now, these are going to help you lifelong. So in your working place also, you can help your parents even. And when you will be working, there also you have to create the presentations. You have to create the presentation. You have to display your thoughts with the help of the presentation. Clear? So that is going to, these all things are going to help you out there. Shashank, 6:30. Any problem? Now those who are not having their names written properly, I'm just noting down their names. Next time, next class, if the same pattern of their name will be there, I will remove them from the class. Because your attendance will not be marked, what is the use of being there in the class? Right? Like Shivans Chandra, 6th B, Netra Mukherjee, 6th B. Who else is there? Many are there. Rikang, 6th F. Their names are not written in the order or the message which was sent to you people. Yesterday, a video was also sent. According to that, you can rename your displaying name. Well, some questions are coming in the starting itself. Yes, Megan, what is the problem?
Ma'am, in Windows 7, can we download any app?
Why not?
Ma'am, in Windows 7, can we download any app?
Yes, why not?
Ma'am, how we can download?
That is a different platform what you are asking right now. For that, you have to go to that particular website, authentic website. From there, it will allow you to download that particular app or software.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Yes, Madhavi?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Ma'am, we have to use the same copy in second semester.
Pardon?
And we have to use the same copy in
Yes, same copy. Yes, Netra?
Miss, my name is written, and then also you're saying that.
Yes, your name is written, but not in the format which was told. Class, name, then roll number. That format have to be followed. Okay, well, let's start with the very first topic there in the chapter. I hope everybody is ready with the books. Yes? I'm going to display the things, my screen now with you people. So this is the screen, or this is the window of PowerPoint. This is the window of PowerPoint. Whenever you will open the PowerPoint, one slide will be given to you, and that is the first slide, by default given as title and subtitle. Because whenever you start anything, the title of that particular thing is given, and if you want to have any subtitle, that you have to give. Yes, as when you take any book or any of the kind of books you have, or your copy even, what is there on the top? Your name, class, roll number, all these things are there on the top. Yes, So here also on the very first thing, the topic or the detail or the main point is given that what all the slides are going to be about of. Fine. Now as we are going to talk about the animation. So before starting with the animation, something should be there on the screen. Yes. Then only animation can be placed. Now how to insert the things there on the, now let's have a blank. How to insert a new slide? Anybody knows how to insert a new slide? Yes, Pratyusha?
Ma'am, we have to click on the new site option.
Right. So which type of slide I want to insert? If I want a specific kind of slide, then?
Ma'am, then we have to click on new slide, then drop down menu will appear.
Okay, yeah. Good, very good. So I have a blank slide right now. Right? Now here I want a blank slide. This was the first one by default. It's given here. Now I want the blank one. Let's write here something like fine. I hope this is enough. Just for example, I have written here the content. You can write anything here. So let's go to the next slide. Here, let's insert some objects. Whatever pictures you insert or any kind of thing, when you insert there on the slide, those things are known as objects. Fine. Remember these technical terms. Now I'm going to insert some shapes here. Just suppose if I want to insert some text into it, then I have to go back to home. Yes, or from here itself also you can insert text boxes there. Now you can write anything. Fine. You can change the formatting as we were doing there in MS Word. All those things you can do here. Understood? All kind of editing you can do. Now here, smiley was there. No? I want to change the color of this. So those who have raised their hand, please make your hands down. So here I want to change its color. So here right click, let's change the color of it. Shape fill is there now. So here I want to change the color. Fine. Now this smiling face is saying hello. Now I want to have some animation. Animation is always, remember very clearly this thing what I'm saying, animation is always there on a single slide on the objects. On a slide, the objects are there, pictures, text, whatever, that is considered as object. Animation is always applied to the objects. Slide pe nahi hota hai. Always objects, whatever is there on the slide, on that particular objects, the thing is there. On slide, animation is never ever implemented. So here we can see there are two things or three objects. How many objects are there on the screen right now? Three. How come? One is a smiling face, one is this arrow, blue color arrow, and then, or say the dialog box, or the third one is the text. Fine. Now, which one I want to have it first? So now we are going to have the animation here. Satvik, please keep it aside. I'm teaching something. If you are not interested, you can move out of the class. Queries at the end, please. Let me finish out with this topic. So, here for animation, on the top, you can see some tabs are there now: file, home, insert, design, transition, animation, and all. So here we have to, now we are willing to have the animation. So we will go to animation. Now here you can see so many options are there. Right now, Suyash, please don't raise the hand. I will give you chance. So here, is it visible? The screen is visible to everyone? Screen is visible to everyone now? So now you can see nothing is active right now. You can see nothing is active. Reason? Because none of the objects are being selected here. Pratyusha, if you are not interested, stop, please leave. Shaurya, I said that please don't raise the hands right now. I will give you the chance. So here, now just suppose I'm willing to have the animation on this face. As soon as I have selected this particular face, or say this particular object, so here all these are active now. Now, as per the choice, you can choose any one of them. You can see how it appears. As you will take your mouse pointer to different, it will show you how it will enter. I think my voice is not going to everyone or what? Pragya, what happened, Pragya?
Miss, your voice is cracking and coming in between.
Network issue, beta. I cannot do anything in that. The screen is clear.
Yes, Miss. Miss.
You see the steps. Yes, Kamya. I'll mute yourself.
Ma'am, in here no voice is coming, only some voice is coming.
Only?
Means only little voice is coming. Always not coming.
It's a network issue, beta. What I can do? Rest everybody is able to hear me properly? Aradhya don't have any problem. Yes, Shaurya?
Your voice is coming, but Miss, I was late. So till now, what you have studied?
Pardon?
Till now, Miss, what you have tell? Miss, till now, what you have tell?
Why you were not there at time?
Miss, because my mother has taken the phone.
So right now, up till now, I have just told the how to implement the animation. We are just going on that topic, that how to implement the animation on the objects of the presentation of the slides. Yes, Aisha?
Ma'am, your voice is not coming. Ma'am, it's coming sometime.
So it's a network issue, beta. Your voice is also cracking.
Can I rejoin the meeting?
Why not? So as the object is being selected, so what we have to do, we have to choose according to our requirement. Yes, whichever is your desire. Okay? Just suppose I want to fly it in. I choose it, fly in. So now it is coming from bottom to top, but I don't want that. For that, what I can do, I have chosen that, then it is showing you effect option. Yes, you can see this option here. Now drop down arrow is there, just click on that. It will tell you that from which direction it will enter to the slide. Now it's your wish what you want. Clear? I hope it's clear. Yes. Just suppose I want it to be from this side. Selected. Now you can see one here. Yes. So this is the first one on this particular slide. There are 3 objects. Now all among those 3, this will be the first one which will come on the slide when we will play our slide. Then second, this one. Now let's just appear. Yes, it will just appear. Now it is second. You can see 2 here. Written 2. Now this is the third one. Select this and how it should come. Now you can see 1, 2 and 3. Now let's play it. Let's have the preview. Again, I'm playing to see. Have you understood what happened? Yes? So this is a simple thing. Now, as much as imaginary you are, there are not only these, there are so many different effects. Now, as I have told you, just the animation. Animations are there on the objects. Now, just have a look that how many types of animations are there. Now you can see that one is entrance. This object, this face, just take an example of this face, that how that face entered. Entrance means what? How it enters through the slide. कैसे वो slide में आता है. ठीक है? Then the second one is how it emphasize. Emphasize means how it appears. Fine. Then how it exits. The third one is how it exits from the slide. Or motion class means how it was coming in and how it is going out. Just suppose we have chosen for one object you can have many animations. एक object पे आप कई animations डाल सकते हैं. Now just suppose here this was the face. I'm just again selecting this one. Now I want to go to motion path. Yes. Got it? Now let's play it. Now you can see that 1, 2, 3 is there and this is also there. First this face came because that was 1 and then again I'm playing it. The very first animation will be applied on step by step it goes. The first number is given to the face. So to the face itself, I have implemented 2 things. Yes, I have implemented 2 things. Once it will enter and then it will move in that zigzag way. And then the third will, next will be that blue image will come and then the hello will be displayed. Okay, now let's play it again. Those who are raising hand, please, it's a request that I will give you the chance to ask your question. Understood? Now, this is, you can see that everything is going very fast. Everything is going very fast. So here, you can see here timing also is given. You can see the timing. Under animation, here, At the end, it is given timing. Now here you can change the duration. Yes, you have to select, just suppose hello, I want it duration to be increased. Okay, or delay also you can increase. Now let's see. Got it? Now here it is written start on click. I want it to be done with previous or after previous. Got it? Understood? So with the help of all these, you can change these duration. Now here also you can change the move letter because it was 0. You can change the order also. Right now when the order which we have created, it was 1, 2 and 3. From here you can change the orders too. Understood? Clear? At least nod your heads. That will give me the response that yes, you are getting it. Otherwise, I will try another way to make you people understand. Now let's take another thing. New slide. Here let's have some text. Or some word art, let it be. Okay, now let's have some animation to it. Let's have some designing first. Let it be a bit bold, a bit more bigger, bolder. Some shadow should be there for it. And any other thing if you want that you can choose. Now let's have an animation. How it will enter. Also, it's not only the objects. You can have it to the text also. Clear? It is the entrance. Now let's see. Zoom out. It's going inside. Yes. Now for that, if we want any option, because it is exit 1. It is which we are choosing out exit. If we want it entrance, so how it will enter zoom out, and we have to go out of the screen, zoom in. Clear? The same one. With the same thing, I am adding one more animation. This is the only one object I have selected. One is already there. I want one more animation to it. So here option is given add animation. I have chosen that. Another animation I want it to zoom out. Fine. Now let's play it. You can see now it entered and went back. But so the timing is very less. Let's increase it. Yes. Now let's have the preview. Now you can see how it is going out. Steady state, and after that much time, 1 second it is. Now you can do the changes. Now let's play it. State after, because 2 was there, it is going back. Now this is just an example. When you are going to create your presentation, It's completely your imagination that how you are willing which text or which object to enter, how to work on that particular when it is there on the slide, and how it will exit, or what will be the motion path. So how many types of animations are there? How many types of animations are there? There are 4 types of animations. 4 types of animations. What are they? The very first one is entrance. See here on the screen. The very first one is entrance. Yes. The second one is emphasis. Fine. The third one is exit. And the fourth one is motion path. Clear? All these 4 types are clear? Now, here you can see more entrance effects, because here you can see very less. So if you want to have more entrance effect, more emphasis, or more exit effects, or more motion paths, you can just click on that. It will give you more options. Will give you more options. As here in the list, you can see very less are there, no? You can see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and 13 entrance effects are there. But I want more entrance effects. Now you can see here there are many more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here 8, 16, 16 and 4, 20, 20 and 4, 24, then 27, 27 and 6, 33, and many more are there now. Getting? So as per your requirement and imagination, that is the best word we should use, because here everything goes according to your imagination, how you want to present your thing on the screen. And as much as creative your imagination will be, that much more eye-catching it will be. Because whenever we are giving the presentation, what is the main motive of the presentation? That is, whenever the presentation is going on the screen and you are speaking along with it. Yes, right now, whatever is the presentation going on the screen, I'm just speaking continuously with it. Yes. So what is happening? Whatever I'm speaking and you are seeing, visual effect. That is why the name of the chapter is giving visual effect. So voice and visual, because whenever anybody can see anything, जिस चीज को आप देखते हो, yes, that you understand more. If I just say that a round kind of thing is there and it is known as apple, you will not be able to understand what exactly apple is. If I have to explain you what is apple, and if I'm not showing you the apple, you will be confused, because ball is also red and round. Yes. An apple is also red and round. So you are confused with. But if I will show you that this is a ball and this is an apple, that it will be clear. That is why this is the best platform through which you can express your thoughts. Through which you can express your thoughts in the form of animated things. Again, I'm repeating, animation is always, this point is very, very, very important. That animation is always implemented to the objects on the slide. Animation is always implemented on the objects, not on the slide. ये चीज गांठ बांध लीजिए आप. Yes, that animation is always implemented on the objects. Objects, it could be text, it could be images, it could be symbols, anything. Clear? Okay. Now here on in your book on page number 44, it is very clearly given all those 4 animations. Yes. So this particular topic you have to read today. You have to read today only this topic, applying animation effects line by line. Okay. Now let's start with a query. Let's start with a query for this particular topic. Yes, Anunan.
Miss, good morning, ma'am.
Morning.
Miss, when you are going far to the device, then your voice is coming very slow.
That is why I'm trying to be very close to the device, beta. The steps which I have shown you on the screen, that is clear.
Yes, ma'am.
That is more important. Whatever I have explained, what the main points I have told you, that is clear.
Yes, ma'am, but ma'am, voice is coming very slow.
Volume, microphone is all completely full beta from my side. It's 100%. Maybe network issue. Okay. You understood all the things which I have explained?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Mute yourself from your side. Yes, Pragyan.
Ma'am, I want to ask that can we apply animation to Microsoft Word?
Microsoft Word, you cannot apply the animation. The things which you are writing there on MS Word, all those things you can do here also.
Okay, ma'am.
You can write the text, you can insert the pictures, all those things you can have it here. And when you can have it here, apply the thing. Yes, Pragya?
Miss, can we insert pictures from web to a presentation?
Why not? Yes, completely. All those things which you can imagine, everything can be done here. Like you want to insert picture, what you have to do, if you have to do it from web, just open the website or your Google or whatever image you want, that you have to save to your system first. You have to download it and you have to save it, and then that picture you can insert. Okay, like
Okay,
here
ma'am, thank
it is there, the option, just see, insert picture option is there, click on that, and as soon as you will click on this picture, this window will appear. Now as this window gives you the control of the whole system. This window gives you the control of the whole system. Wherever your picture is there on your system, you can just go to that particular area and you can choose your picture, and that particular picture will be inserted. As here some pictures are there. Yes. Let's suppose this one. Insert. Insert it. Because this picture has been taken from website and saved there.
Okay, ma'am.
That can also be inserted. Now you can resize it according to your requirement. Okay?
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Yes, Kamya.
Ma'am, like the smiley and the blue tick, you have shown the example. So, if we want to add first, what we have to do?
Pardon, but you want to actual?
Ma'am, if we want the blue first to come, then what we will do?
But this one to be the first one.
Yes, ma'am.
Apply the animation first to it. Whatever is the sequence you want, that sequence you can choose. Or even here you can change the animation sequence. Here it is given now, more move letter earlier. Yes?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, you can change the sequence.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, Anshika?
Miss, I have to ask that in that box, it is written hello. When you are playing the video, that hello is like moving. So, ma'am, how you have done that?
Just select hello.
Miss, when you are
Then see, when I have clicked on hello, the text box is active. You can see that dotted lines.
yes, ma'am.
Click on that dotted line. Now my cursor is not blinking because now that particular text is selected. Okay, when the text will be, my cursor will be blinking, means the complete text is not selected. So for that, you have to click on those dotted lines. Now you can see that dotted lines disappeared. It is a straight line now.
Yes, ma'am.
Now it is selected. Now after that, whatever is the animation. Here I have chosen this one. I want bounce now. According to your requirement, you can choose any one of them.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, Suyash.
Good morning, Miss.
Morning.
That smiley we can make sad. That will also called animation.
Pardon?
Miss, that smiley we can make sad also. That will also called animation. Okay, Miss.
Yes, Sanskar.
Ma'am, how can we change the timing duration of the animation?
So you can see here on the screen.
Yes, ma'am.
Above also a arrow is there, down also a arrow is there. When you will make it above one, when you will click, it will increase, and down one, it will decrease.
Ma'am, but it's not being saved. Like I'm clicking there, but when I'm trying to animate that, then it's not coming.
You have to select that particular object first now.
Ma'am, I've selected like here I've selected then time duration I'm doing.
Select any particular object and then click the duration. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, Siddhant.
Miss, I have to ask that, Miss, where it is written animation?
Baba, here, file, home, insert, design, transition, and then animation.
One more, Miss, I have asked, Miss, you have said that, Miss, how to insert the sound in this?
I think this is the topic there in the chapter.
Yes, ma'am. Miss, lesson 5 it is.
Lesson 5, the first topic we are dealing with right now, inserting the animation. We will come to that step. Why you are jumping from here to there? Yes, Celestine.
Ma'am, we can make any drawing in Paint, then copy and paste in Microsoft PowerPoint.
Yes, that is your imagination. That only I'm saying, it is completely your imagination. Yes, you can completely do it. You are free to do that.
Ma'am, if we make in Paint any drawing and I want background in every slide, so how we can do that?
That is the last topic, master slide. We will come to that part also.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, Prakriti. You're not audible, beta. Ask your question. Remove your headphone from your system and then speak. Now speak. Your picture is also not clear. I think she left. Yes, Ayushi.
Miss, in their move earlier, move later, there is one more option, recorder animation. What is that?
Recorder animation is the heading of that. Recorder animation means how to record the animation. This topic tells you that if you are willing to have the animation on your system along with your presentation, means a rehearsal you are doing, that okay, when this particular thing will be there on the screen, I have to say this much sentences. So according to that, you can arrange your duration. मतलब कोई चीज स्क्रीन पे है तो मुझे मालूम होना चाहिए कि जब तक ये स्क्रीन पे है तब तक मेरा ये स्टेटमेंट खत्म हो जाना चाहिए. If you are saying that on the first topic and the picture changes to the second, will match?
No, miss.
So according to that, it is just a recorder that yes, according to this, my things are going smoothly.
Okay.
Mute yourself from your side. Yata, first switch on your video, then only I will answer you. Ask a question now.
Miss, can we start 2 animation at once?
2 animation at one, why not? The
Miss, can we show?
duration will be very less. Yeah, the duration will be very less. But almost 0.1 second also it will change, so it will be very clearly displayed on the screen that it is going to the second one. Getting?
Yes, ma'am.
Mute yourself from your side. Yes, Angel.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Miss, at once time, how much animation we can do?
Pardon?
Miss, in once, how much animation we can do?
No limit.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
It's completely your imagination.
Okay, ma'am.
Mute yourself from your side. Yes, Suyash.
Miss, I was asking that in that motion path, in custom path, how much we will scribble, that much it will go.
Yes. Custom path
Okay,
means
miss.
you are giving the direction with the help of your mouse. So don't scribble too much, otherwise it will not look good there on the screen. Okay?
Miss, yes, miss, when we will press F5 in full screen, it will not show scribble.
It will not show that scribble, but it will go that way, na?
Yes, miss.
Your object will move that way.
Yes, miss. Thank you, miss.
Mute yourself. Yes, Nalini.
Miss, in the any Google or any website, and we can put it on the animation.
Pardon?
I was asking that for the animation, if I want any picture from Google or any other website, so we can take.
Yes. Yes. What you have to do, you have to download that particular picture in your system. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
And then you can insert picture option is there, na? You can insert that particular picture on your slide.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, Agrima.
Ma'am, I want to say that if we are inserting a photo in the presentation, how can we insert it?
You know the option is there, na? Insert.
Yes, ma'am.
Here is the option picture.
Yes, ma'am.
Or a clip art you can insert, a screenshot you can insert, a photo album you can insert.
If we will click on pictures and our device, then it will come.
Yes.
The camera.
Yes.
And how you are zooming into the main file that the other thing is not visible while you are screen sharing. Means some teachers only show the file, which means the page which they have opened. They not show the other slides and above ribbon.
That is the full screen. They play the that also I will show you. That also I will show you. But right now, for all these steps, these options you should see now. If you will not see these options, how you will understand?
Yes.
Okay. That I will. That also I will display how it happens.
Thank you, ma'am.
Very quickly, let's take the answers now because time is already up. Yes, Anmol. He left the.
Miss, I've asked that picture you have taken and there you have written hello. Miss, how we will write?
Insert text box is there, na? Under insert. Wherever
Yes,
you want to insert a text, just click here, make a box, and then start typing inside that.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, Kshitij. Not audible. Not audible. Still not audible. Well, these questions we will take in the next class. Okay. Kshitij, Suyash, Mrigang, Nishit, be ready with your questions in the next class. Okay. We will have your questions and then we will start with the further topics in the chapter. So meanwhile, Please read this topic. Please read this topic today. I will ask the questions from this in the next class and then we will proceed further. So till then, goodbye.